Hi there, if you long press on your S25 Ultra device and you find Bixby, and if you want to remove it from your device, then here's how to do it. First, you have to go to settings, then scroll down and you will find advanced features. Tap on it and you will find side button. From here, you will find two options, double press and long press. Tap on long press where you will find that Bixby is selected in this section. You just need to select one of these. If you want Google Assistant, just for long press on power button, it will open the Google Assistant for you. And if you want that, if you long press on power button and it will show you power off menu, then you just need to select it. And if you select power off menu, you can just remove this Bixby from this power button of your device. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.